Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro. Yes, I ended up getting one, even though I thought I wasn't going to, and I'm not sure if I want to keep this phone, but I will be doing a review. But either way, here's the box. It's a picture of, the phone, obviously. Feels nice. On the left side, it does say iPhone, while on the right side, it also says iPhone. And the bottom, it has the Apple logo with a red sticker for some reason on my box. I don't know why. Then on the top is the Apple logo like normal. And of course on the back is where we get all the information. So obviously saying iPhone 15 Pro and then the different ones that we get. So I got the black titanium 1TB version. Yours will be different depending on what you get, but yeah. Either way, let's rip off these two pull tabs and open up the box. And here's the phone. The first thing that I want to say is it feels nice. I was checking them out at the Apple store and it feels a little bit thinner, even though I don't think it actually is. The back also feels good too, but I do have a skin on my phone, so maybe that's why I'm not used to it. The black looks nice, but it doesn't look as crazy as they made it seem. I don't know how to explain that. Then on the sides, obviously they're titanium, and here we have the power side button, and we have the little 5G ultra wideband antenna, which obviously if you don't get the US version, you're not going to have this. Of course on the top there's nothing at all, and the left side is where the action button and the volume buttons are, which I'll talk about the action button. Then the bottom has a microphone and speakers and the USB-C port. Yes, we finally get an iPhone with USB-C, although that's probably not the first time you've heard that. But I forgot, this is an unboxing, so let's see what's in the box. And it's pretty much the same thing as the iPhone 14 Pro. Just, telling you got eSIM, this little pamphlet right here, and then of course a single sticker. Not two stickers, just one. Then you get the USB-C cable, and the one thing that I noticed, I guess I didn't actually notice on the MacBook charger, because I'm assuming it's going to be the same, is that the model and the serial number is actually on the tip of one of the charging ports, because it's woven, they can't write that information on the actual cable anymore. Something that I found more interesting than the fact that we got USB-C. And of course this is 2.0, but no Android phones have 3.0 in the box, so don't complain about that, I guess. Either way, I already powered on the phone, so let's pull this off. We can just set it up. I'm going to skip through everything pretty much. And it is interesting that they actually have this software update right now.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Either way, we'll skip through this setup, except for the action button. Yes, the action button is something that's on this phone, and it's kind of cool that you can actually change it to what you want, for the most part. And even right now, look, I got the flashlight on. I don't know, kind of cool. I'll have to check that out and see how awesome it is. And yeah, so it's now set up. And if we go into the settings here, we can see that I got the 1TB version. And just like the last 2 years, it's going to show 1.02 instead of just 1TB. Another thing that's interesting is you have the battery settings in here, which is not something that other phones have for some reason. I don't know why they only do it on the 15 series, but not on any other series, even though you can see that on, well, any phone. They also do the 80% thing. If you go into the battery settings, you can optimize battery charging, 80% limit or off. Again, kind of interesting that only the 15 series can do that when every iPhone is capable of doing that. Another thing that is kind of weird is apparently they default to 24 megapixels when you take a shot. These are also some sort of things that you would think that the old iPhone would have, seeing that I'm almost positive that the 15 does this, and the 14 Pro and the 15 have the same processor, so why can't you do that on both phones? I don't know, it's kind of strange, and I feel like it's a money grab. But yeah, well, let's check out ProRes, which we can't do. I can't do 4K at 60 frames per second unless I'm recording directly onto another device, even though that doesn't make sense because the device is going to be slower than the phone's memory. Why is that? I got a 1TB version. Why is that? Okay, so far, a little bit disappointed, but I do like the style of the phone. I think it does look nice, and it feels lighter, noticeably. Not, outrageous, but it does feel, like the 20 grams or so that it is lighter. But yeah, I'm going to do a review on this phone and let you know more about this phone. So look forward to that. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching.